stop number 3.
I don't know if it's for sale. Oh yeah, it sure is. Yeah, I don't know. I'll let you know. What do you LS3 on this part? Yeah. He came from Caddies.
Oh yeah,
Okay, we over here another spot. We got the wraps in effect. Got the box shelves.
Finally finished that big ass truck.
Where's it at? Cause I want to see it. Oh, that's a SEMA truck there, dude.
Oh wow. Okay.
That's my mechanic. Ask him some questions or whatever you need to know. Middle of hiring another mechanic, man, because I'm fucking swamped.
You're turning out good too, bro.
Yeah. We still got a whole lot to go.
So what all parts of this truck did you guys do? The whole thing we looking at, or what parts you?
Everything.
The engraving and everything?
Well, we didn't engrave it. We painted it. Came in big blue.
Yeah.
Did the suspension. Placed everything up.
Wow. What size rims are we looking at right here?
30s.
30s. Up there. Hey, this is what year truck is this? Like a 80 or 90? 93. 93. Photo. Is it hard to separate this to get inside here to paint this?
Oh yeah.
Yeah, I've seen that glue.
You gotta open them up and seal them up.
Yeah, seal them back. It's not gonna get foggy in there and be all bad on you. Yeah.
Yes, sir. We left the windows down. Just keep it. It stays inside all the time. This car never stays outside. I'm sure you see on my stories. This thing stays inside. But we just keep it close. We won't have wind and shit, dust blowing in there. Yes, sir.
Nice.
Yeah, I'm trying to get your car out by next week.
Jose said don't do the suspension.
Yeah, he told me.
Okay.
He told me he needed to adjust it first, and then we'll do the rear.
Woo-wee. Whole lot of wheel.
So they did everything. See how he cut that?
Yeah, I
and
saw he notched your frame. Yeah, I see that.
So he did all the whole undercarriage.
Okay.
Suspension.
Uh-huh.
So man, like even these, like this wasn't even there. They did that. Like this car was immaculate, bro.
Oh, okay.
So whatever that was, they put that stuff on there. It's kind of messing up the paint, which I was painting anyway, so it didn't make a difference. But when the car sat in my garage for like 15 years.
Oh, okay.
6 o'clock.
So LS sitting there.
Have you had a chance to drive it yet with the LS motor?
No, they ain't put it in yet.
Oh, they ain't put it in yet. Okay.
They're waiting to put it in.
Oh, I see what you're talking about. Yeah.
Yeah, he cut that, so I got some new ones at the house.
Okay, but you see, he cut it. How you gonna?
Because you're not supposed to cut it.
Escalade front?
They're gonna Escalade front on it.
Uh-huh.
I think it's a Suburban or something. I don't know. But man, they're gonna lower it and do some other stuff.
Oh, chop the bed in and make it to a tub it all the way in. Yeah, I've seen that people used to do it back in the day with the older Escalade front, like the O2 ones back in the day.
Everything that he's got is what you got.
Yeah.
Stage 3 plus package.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Except we put some big old mufflers because he said it was way too loud for him.
What inch he got in?
The what?
What inch muffler he got on? I mean, exhaust coming out.
3 inch.
3 inch.
So I take it you put a cam in there.
Oh yeah, it's stage 3 build motor.
It's
That's what he's getting.
Okay, so it's a 6.0 motor?
6.2.
6.2. Okay. Oh yeah, he sounds real good. Hey, y'all hear it? Y'all hear it?
No, not yet.
You got the front lights functioning and everything yet?
I'm sorry?
The front lights are all functioning and everything?
No.
Not yet?
Okay.
Oh, okay. Because these are ones that will have like the beam that goes like this.
They have computers. Each headlight has its own. It's got its own module. It's got like 100. You gotta break it in. You gotta break into it and make it work.
Yeah. Nice. So he's sitting on there right.
It sounds good.
Yeah. It sounds real good.
All right, Romero, I ain't gonna keep you, bro. I gotta go.
Thanks for your time, man. Love your work. Oh yeah.
You stop by since you're always a running man all over the place.
And always.
Yeah.
I got to paint it. I didn't have enough time because I soaked up all my time on this. It was either my truck or his truck is gonna make it. Oh man, I don't care what my truck.
Oh, you want to see that motor?
Oh yeah, sure.
You got a motor right there.
That's what's going. That's going on the Capri.
This is your motor right here?
Okay.
No, not mine.
Oh.
That's a Hemi.
Oh, okay. Yeah, I see it. I see it.
I
Sorry.
think they're putting. He put one of these in a. Did he put one in a box Chevy? This is the one. It's going in a box Chevy.
72.
So is there a lot of custom fab to get this to go up in here?
Oh yeah.
Okay, but you're gonna be unique when person get this function and be like, oh, okay. What you doing to the Crown Vic over there?
Dropping the motor.
Oh, okay. Oh, okay. Nice. Oh, okay, yeah.
Hágalo para atrás.
Okay, got a question for you since you work a lot of cars. I know that, okay, Chevy Impala had their car. Then when they came with their version, which was called the Marauder, which car was the better car?
Man, that's a hard question.
That's a hard question. I figured you know, they they was Johnny Come Lately with their Marauder car, but
They were both police interceptors, pretty much. You know what I mean?
Okay.
So the rarest version, if you ask me, was the Marauder.
Yeah.
Then the SF for sure.
Okay. I've owned both cars. Just regular. I made a regular police car into an SS style car.
Yeah.
Then I had the Crown Vic, and I made it into a Marauder styled car. And then the SS was clearly faster at the time, but I never drew the Marauder with the Marauder motor. But you know,
Did y'all know that they fabricated all the SS here in the Arlington plant?
Yeah.
I didn't know
telling
that.
them today. Let me tell them I'm coming over to eat Friday.
Que el viernes, que va a ser para que vaya a comer.
He laughing at you.
I didn't know.
Wait. Okay. Oh yeah.
Still not
You
done.
just use it for a shop truck, because I was about to say, man, you gotta put cutout rotors on this.
Oh yeah.
Especially if you're gonna paint it, you gotta do the cutout rotors. On you, Rod.
Okay. Thank you, sir.
Right, go to the bar and order what we want. So wherever you want to sit, we'll get
I'm following you. I'm new here. I'm with you.
Gentlemen, the hub stand has menus and silverware for you, all right?
Oh, we're gonna just order something to go.
Hey y'all probably wondering what I'm up to. Well, my man Corey over here, aka C Note over there, he said, hey man, I came all the way, you know, but to you took care of me, but I'm having a little issue. And so I said, okay, well, what's the issue? He described it to me. Another shop looked at it. They wanted to unwire it, rewire it. I said, no, we're going to stop that right there on the bud. Tell you what, let me know when you're going to be home. I'm going to be here. Hey, my man gave me a 2 weeks advance notice. Met me over there, and look what he picked me up in. Man, something beautiful. I never rode one of those. I got a chance to touch the carpet, you know, put my hand on the dashboard. I'm feeling good now. We ran around town, met some more people. We networking. And so we're going to solve this problem. It was a new technique I was trying, I believe, that I think was going on here. But I did bring the accessories to make it happen. Amp, speaker, brought my little toolkit. And I think we're going to be able to solve this within the next couple of hours. Then we back on vacation for the next day or so. We're going to see. Stay tuned. You all right, Corey?
Man, I'm 100.
Okay, man, y'all. I'm telling you, my man took me around, rolled out the red carpet. We got some food. I'm about to go. He ate me some papados. I'm feeling like CPT time about to fall out right now, but I'm still going. It's kind of hot and humid out here. If y'all ain't used to this Texas weather, but it's hot and wet at the same damn time. I got some shorts, but I ain't switching none of those till tomorrow. We gonna see how that go. So I'm finna get back to work, y'all. Stay tuned. Money's Car Stereo. We out and about.
From the top of the
How y'all doing?